Hello, I am Attorney Masah S SamForay of the Foray firm with offices in Chicago and Houston, here to talk to you about all things immigration. So today I'm going to be answering a frequently asked question, and this is about a student visa. Question: I have an F1 student visa and I graduated. What do I do next? Okay, so you have two options. Because after you receive an F1 student visa and you graduate, you literally have 60 days to vacate the country, unless you do one of these two options. Option number one, you can marry your college sweetheart. If you have somebody apply for you on a marriage-based visa, then you can stay in the United States, going from an F1 visa to a marriage-based visa. Second option, you can get an EB visa, otherwise known as an employment-based visa. Employment-based visas are obviously visas that have to be filed by an employer, filing for you, and these are for priority workers. These are for people with extraordinary abilities in the sciences, in the arts, in athletics, academia, and so those are your two options for staying here if you have graduated. So again, if you came on an F1 visa, you literally have 60 days after graduation to leave, and so you have to plan in advance. So what are your options for extension? So there are 4 options for extension. Number 1, you could do optional practical training. That would give you a 12-month extension. Optional practical training is related to your degree. You must have been studying in the United States for 1 year prior to submitting the form. You have to submit a work authorization form, and if you do this while you are still a student, then you are limited to working 20 hours per week. Number 2, you can do STEM. If you studied STEM or science, technology, engineering, or math, then you have highly specialized skills, which of course we need more of in the United States workforce, and so you can apply for up to 24 months of extension. Number 3, asylum. If you were granted asylum in the United States for up to 1 year, you can apply. And you have to prove that you're still an asylee. You have to prove that the conditions under which you received your asylum originally have not changed and remain the same. And then you can get an extension. And number 4, military service. So if you are a student, you came here on an F1 visa and you want to extend your time, then you can enlist in the military. Now, what you need to know before trying to pursue this option is you must have attended school for 2 years. Then you can go into specialized services like translation or medical related fields. However, you should note that you will not receive a security clearance if you are not a United States citizen for obvious security related issues and reasons. And then in addition to that, you will not be placed in any high ranking positions, but you will be in the military, you will receive military pay, military benefits, and most importantly, as it pertains to this question, you will be able to have an extension of your F1 visa. Thank you. I hope this helps.